Hey guys, so it's me and Diana here with my friend Malachi. You've seen her before, or have they seen you before?
I think, yeah.
When?
We went to the buffet.
Oh.
Deluxe.
Really? I did a video on that.
Yeah.
Huh. I don't remember. Anyway, so today we're going to do an unboxing video where we unbox a box full of stuff.
From Universal Yum.
This is not sponsored, although it
should be.
Yeah. So, half the ingredients are, not the ingredients, half of the stuff is going to be on my channel. We're going to taste some of them, and the other half are going to be on her channel. I'll leave a link in below so you guys can check that out. So, let us open it.
Hooray, you've received a box of Universal Yums.
Woo! You cool there?
Yeah. Enjoy your Yums, Malachi.
Will you enjoy these Yums?
I hope. Oh my, these Yums are oishi. Oishi means tasty, and you won't have a problem finding a few snacks that fit the description in this box. But of course, no trip to Japan would be complete without a few head-scratching combinations. So put on your samurai suit for trying new foods and enjoy the battle ahead.
Oh my gosh, we're not prepared for this, Malachi.
Alright. And then it has like all the stuff that's in the box on here.
So
we're going to be trying one half on my channel and one half on the other. Alright.
So what's on, let me see this, pardon me, sorry. So I guess the first thing we're trying is Snow Pea Crisp. I don't like peas, so this is going to be swell.
It's even got like the Japanese flag on it, guys, in the paper.
It looks like a ghost from Pac-Man.
Alright.
Okay.
First is Calbee Saya Snow Pea Crisps. Made with green peas and oil and seasoning. That doesn't sound good.
That sounds unappealing. But let's open them up anyway.
So like half of this is air, and I'm kind of glad.
Yeah, this is the moments where you're just glad it's happening.
Made in a facility that also manufactures shrimp.
What? I didn't know peas came from the sea.
Oh. It's got the little carrot thing.
Is there something wrong, Malachi? I don't even like the way it looks at it. Do you see this, guys? Like...
So we're gonna die.
For some reason it smells like peanuts for me. I don't know what kind of peanuts I've been smelling, but...
It smells like old peanuts.
Yeah. So...
like ones that you left in the car for like a year. So I wouldn't know what that smells like.
Oh, great.
Oh, yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers. These are actually pretty good. I like them.
I don't hate them. And I usually hate peas or any kind of vegetable chip.
Yeah, I'm kind of surprised about that. Oh, it seems like it.
Here.
Okay.
Texture's good though. I like the texture. It's like Cheetos.
Let's try it.
No. The aftertaste hit me. No.
That actually tastes good.
I like the aftertaste of Cheetos too.
No.
Slightly peas. Slightly peas.
Well, it has the approval of children, so we're cool.
I know what this.
How to get your kids to eat vegetables. Give them that.
So the next thing is chocolate Hello Panda, which I've actually had this before, and they're so good.
And I opened these when
How
I first
dare
got them.
you?
Meiji Hello Pandas with chocolate.
Don't mind if I do.
You guys don't get these because these are really good and I like them.
Please.
No, go away.
have a piece?
No.
A little one?
Gets that shitty pea taste out of our mouth, and that sounds horrible. We're not into that.
Please?
No, go away.
Please!
You guys make me want to kill myself.
That is terrible to say on a video.
Oh yeah, I want some of that. Ah!
You can smack your hand.
Over here, Data.
Alright, what's next?
Well, the next part is Boats Tan rice candy. Is that?
Still in the packaging, guys?
It's so cute. Look at it's a cat.
Let's see. Botan rice candy.
Auntie.
Go away.
Oh yeah, the cat.
The coolest part about this candy isn't the free sticker inside, although it is pretty cool, or the chewy lemon orange gummies, although they are delicious.
Jesus Christ.
It's the edible rice paper. Peel off the first wrapper on the candies and then pop the second wrapper and the candy in your mouth. As the wrapper melts on your tongue, you'll get a faint taste of rice, and somehow it makes the candy even better. Enjoy!
So I opened it.
Is that the sticker?
No, I want it. It goes on my folder.
Your what?
My folder.
Your dog folder?
What?
Can I have one?
No.
Just one.
No.
I just a
I don't
tiny
care
piece.
what you want.
Wait,
this
what
one
is, do we
tiny
eat
piece?
this or?
You don't eat the first plastic. You
I
eat
know.
the second one.
I
Yeah.
know this was the first spot. We eat this one?
Yeah.
It's edible?
I'm hungry.
God.
It's supposedly rice
What's
paper.
this?
I'm hungry.
I don't care. Go somewhere else. Oh, yeah, this is... It got stuck. It got stuck on the top of my mouth immediately.
It's stuck on my teeth.
Okay, it dissolves.
Well,
And
yeah.
it's got like that mochi kind of texture, but it's not enough of it to taste like mochi. I don't like it.
I don't hate it.
But I don't like it. You don't hate it, but you don't like it. And it tastes like cheap gummies from the 99-cent store.
I can literally buy this at the 99-cent store without the weird rice plastic thing.
The Skylander gummies are
That's
good.
really weird. That's a weird thing.
I'll just keep the sticker.
Yeah.
Alright,
What does this sticker look like?
what flavor is that? It was lemon, right?
Monster, by the way.
Was that really supposed to be lemon?
Lemon
No!
orange.
No!
Well, I can taste the orange.
Okay. Next is Nestle Aero Matcha.
And what is that?
It's little chocolates with green tea inside.
Are you guys filming right now? Or no?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh, congratulations.
All these
Although
gummies are still in my mouth.
I'm kind of tempted to redo this video.
Why?
Just screaming children and stuff. But you know what? It adds character. I keep it real on this channel, so let's do this.
I'm trying to get this chewy out of my mouth. It's still there.
So what is this supposed to be?
Chocolate with green tea. This looks old.
Want to show the camera?
This is old, guys. Really old.
I like it. Not at first though, but I like it.
Because you don't really like sweet chocolate gums.
No, I meant like it. The green tea was just like in your
Oh.
face.
I just put this in my mouth. so-
Yeah. Like the green tea is like really in your face.
Every time I eat something that's green tea flavored, I get that like earthy flavor, and it sticks.
Mhm.
Alright, what's next?
It's Flower Kiss candy, and that sounds so cute.
Which are these ones. Flower Kiss candies.
Can I get the pink one? This is what this is.
The name is a mystery because they sure don't taste like flowers. Or maybe they do. We're not big flower eaters. To us, they had a peachy taste. Other people think they taste like plums, apricots, and condensed milk. You'll have to decide for yourself what it tastes like. Maybe it is flowers.
Ew. It looks gross. It looks like boils.
It's supposed to look like flowers, I think.
Well, it kind of looks like boils. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but yeah. Is it chewy?
No.
No.
Hard candy.
Mine tastes like plum.
YouTube channel.
I taste peach.
Huh?
Making a YouTube channel.
They're looking at a YouTube channel or look at their YouTube channel?
No, they're making.
We're filming, Mom.
I can't even change my shoes.
Is this candy?
It doesn't matter if you walk by it, just...
Is it candy?
Oh, woo.
Is it candy? Yeah.
Yes.
Can I have some?
No.
I want candy.
Okay.
That's what I wanted. Mom's gonna give us something.
Okay.
Too bad.
So, anyway.
I'm not really a big fan of hard
Awesome.
candy, to be honest.
I like the flavor, though. The fact that we're completely ignoring it. These are alright, though.
Malachi, did you already read this?
I'm like trying to like really chew, like munch on it.
So we can continue.
Oh, got it. I'm breaking it.
You did? My teeth can't do that. Next are Kusagi candies. And they have different flavors, and those ones are
Kusagai?
chewy.
No, I
Kusagai.
think. Oh, Kusagai.
Oh, no, Kasugai.
We are so sorry for
Japan.
mispronouncing this wrong.
We're not Japanese, nor do we speak Japanese.
Can we try the blue one? What's the blue one?
Ramoon, which is like their soda.
I'll try this one.
I'm trying to finish this. Okay, so there's 3 flavors. We're gonna try all 3.
Alright. Are you done with your
Nope.
Okay.
Oh, and then there's 4 flavors. Shit.
Hmm?
There's 4 flavors.
What are all the flavors? Do you tell?
There's Ramoon or Ramune. I don't know.
Lamine?
Melon. Their famous melon candy.
Oh, I don't like melon, so here you go. I'm not gonna try them.
Kiwi fruit
I can live without kiwi.
and lychee.
What was lychee?
It's a fruit, Asian fruit.
Well, I know that much.
It's got like a rough outer skin and it's white on the inside.
I'm hungry.
I like lychees. Those are good.
Well, which one should we try first?
Read it. Go. Take it.
We could have done that so long ago.
Alright, so which one do you want to start with?
I'm not. I want to start
Right.
with the melon first since I probably won't like it.
Okay. So you want to end with Ramon since that one's probably going to be your favorite?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, it's shaped like a heart.
Daddy left his phone?
Kind of.
No.
Plus milk.
Anyway, this is what.
Oh, these have weird texture.
Love you guys. Be good.
Want it.
Oh no! No!
Ow.
No!
Can I try one? I want to try if it's good.
No.
It's terrible.
It tastes like honeydew. I hate honeydew.
I don't know.
I want some.
See, I thought it would taste like cantaloupe.
I want some.
Go away. You guys, go eat those chips that I gave you.
Is that not chips?
Those are chips.
Oh.
Anyway, let's try the kiwi fruit.
I'm not even done with this one yet.
Oh my god. I swallowed. I don't like melons. Never have, never will.
I like that this gummy doesn't stay in your teeth, though. It kind of just breaks apart. Alright, next, kiwi. And it fell on the floor.
Oh look, it Mine has like a tiny. It's either a bug or a tiny seed.
Oh yeah, they all have seeds in them.
Okay. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's like a brown spot onto this.
It says that kiwi flavor tastes exactly like the real
Give me
thing.
now.
And if you look
I'm
real
so
hard, you'll even see it has tiny seeds inside.
Mine has only one seed.
Yeah, I know.
Mine has a few. You can't see them very well.
Lucky.
But there's...
Oh, I see them.
It's left one.
Go away. I personally hate kiwis.
So this must be a blast for you.
I fucking hate this.
Mine tastes like green apple.
It's like a mix between green apple and kiwi, and I don't like it.
I don't taste kiwi at all. Maybe the seed is what gives it its kiwi flavor. So should we...
I hate this.
You're very... So, I'm an idiot. And, the space in the camera just was full. So I deleted some pictures, and now we should be able to continue this taste testing thing with these two more things that we have left.
Is that all we have left? Yeah.
Yeah. And
And we have 16 minutes to finish off 2 candies.
yay.
Yeah.
And hopefully I can edit these together, but if not, then I guess I have 2 more videos to do.
Alright. Next is lychee, or however you say it.
Because we don't know. We're Americans, unfortunately.
Oh, I'm hungry. I want some of that
That's
meat.
myself. No, go away.
I want one.
Alright.
I'm not gonna go.
Oh, this looks like the melon one. This should be great.
It's very perfumey.
I don't like smell.
It smells like perfume.
It's
That
making
like
me
your
gag.
grandma.
I want to smell
wear.
it. I want to smell it.
Smell it.
Yeah, this smells like something your grandma did. So let's try it.
I don't want it.
3, 2, 1. I don't-
No. No.
It's like light at first, and then all of a sudden, BAM! And then it tastes
Hey,
like
do you want mine? Here, look, I'll give you mine.
Then it tastes like perfume, which is weird.
Tastes like butt.
Yeah, this
To
is,
be
and
honest-
then there's lychee, which is a common fruit in Japan that has a perfume-like flavor.
Wait, that one.
Who
Wait,
sells perfume
wait, that
fruit?
one? Yeah?
You know what? You know how people say that, certain things taste like butt?
Yeah,
I would imagine this tasting like a gay man's butt.
just fruity and perfumey. With a little too much soap. Alright, next is Ramoon flavored.
Woo!
Or Ramune.
Yeah.
It's supposed to taste like their popular soda.
Which I absolutely love. It's blue itself.
Have you tried the original flavor of the Ramoon?
The blue one, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Or it's like a whitish color, I think.
Smells like hopes and dreams.
Does it?
And heaven.
It tastes
Smell it. Smells like heaven and
Let's
hopes
smell
and
it.
dreams.
It smells like spices.
Smell it.
Almost like rosemary and sage.
Smells like heaven if you ask me.
It says it's supposed to taste kind of like lemonade.
Smells like heaven.
Smells like heaven.
Oh, I put it in my mouth so that
Oh,
I thought you put it in your mouth.
I was smelling it.
Put it in your mouth.
Well, it's in my mouth. I'm gonna.
Give me one. Give me one.
This is good. Not lemonade flavor though.
No, it's definitely the Japanese soda.
I want to get one so much. I love it.
Whoa.
Like this if you hate kids.
I want one.
And this is a video to promote birth control. Woo! Nah, just
And Universal
kidding.
Yums.
Just-
And Universal Yums. Even though it's not sponsored, it's a great company.
Gimme,
No, don't mention them unless they sponsor us.
They should sponsor us if we
gimme,
get views.
gimme, gimme, gimme.
And less children.
Yeah, less children.
Yeah, one please.
Universal Yums is about... I'm just kidding. I'm not going to even finish that because I can get sued for that.
Okay, so we're going to head off to her channel. Again, if you didn't see this video or the other video, because again, I'm not sure if I'll be able to edit this together, her channel is going to be in the link below. And yeah, check the other video out if you want us to see us eat shrimp stuff.
It's actually wasabi.
What? This is what's oh god! So you're going to eat this. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!